Hello everybody, I'm glad you could join me today. This is Kids Farm Preschool. My name is Mrs. J. I'm going to be your teacher for this class. I can't wait to learn with you today. Today is Math Day, and we will be learning about numbers 1 through 9. I will show you how to count from 1 till 9. I will show you different ways to show the numbers, and I will introduce to you place value. We will talk more about place value when we count to higher numbers. We will only be counting by ones today. In the future, I will show you how to skip count, which is faster. Today's sign of the day is welcome. The sign for welcome can be used when you welcome a friend into your home for a visit. It's not the same as when you say you're welcome and after someone says thank you. Can you practice signing welcome? Good job. Now let's sing the welcome song. My welcome song is from MissNina.com, and the link will be down below. It goes to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and it sounds like this. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. First let's clap our hands like so. Then we'll reach and touch our nose. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. We sang our welcome song. Let's talk about what day it is. Today is Tuesday. It is the second day of the week. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's sing the Days of the Week song. Remember, the Days of the Week song goes to the tune of the Addams Family intro. Days of the week, 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 days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, 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 days of the week. Remember, there are 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now that we know what day of the week it is, let's talk about the month of the year. This month is January. It's the very first month of the year. Does anybody have a birthday in January? If you do, comment below so I can reply happy birthday. In January, we celebrate Happy New Year's. Most people celebrate Happy New Year's by staying up all the way until midnight of December 31st. Then, when midnight happens, you can watch fireworks, you can make loud noises, and you can yell, Happy New Year! Isn't that fun? Last month was December. I celebrated my birthday in December. I bet a bunch of you celebrated other holidays too. Many people in America celebrate Christmas in December. Other people also celebrate Kwanzaa and Hanukkah. No matter what you celebrate, I say, I hope you had happy holidays. Next year will be February. In February, many people celebrate Valentine's Day by giving stuffed animals or cards or candies. Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? What do you do to celebrate the holiday? Let's sing the month of the year song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year. Remember, there are 12 months in a year. For this song, I linked the Singing Walrus. The next thing you need to know is what day of the month it is. Most months have 30 or 31 days. February is the only one that has 28 days, and on a leap year, it can even have 29. January has 31 days. Can you count to 31 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. We already marked off 1 and 2. Today is January 3rd. Let's mark that one off. There we go. The last thing we need to know is the year. We just started a brand new year. This year is 2023. Last year was 2022, and next year will be 2024. Now we know everything we need to figure out the date. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd, 2023. Do you know what season it is? Right now the season is winter. It's usually very cold in winter. Do you get snow in winter? If you do, what do you like to do in the snow? There are many options and activities you can do in the snow, such as a snowball fight, or sledding, or making a snow person. Or maybe you like to stay inside and have a nice cup of hot chocolate and cuddle up in some blankets. That's what I like to do. What do you like to wear in the winter where you live? Is it warm enough to wear a t-shirt? Or do you have to bundle up in lots of layers? In my city, it's often about 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can wear a long sleeve shirt or a lace sweater. The next season is spring. In spring, new things grow, like plants and animals. I love planting in my garden and watching everything grow. Do any of you have a garden or plants that you take care of? The last season was fall. Fall is also called autumn. In the fall, leaves fall off the trees, and we can celebrate Thanksgiving or Halloween. We can also go pumpkin picking. The thing that I love about fall is drinking warm drinks and wearing comfy sweaters. On Tuesdays, we will have a math lesson. During math, I will teach you about numbers, shapes, adding, more, less, equal to, and skip counting. Today, we will work on counting numbers 1 through 9. 1 through 9 are called single-digit numbers, meaning there's only one number to write. When you learn to write bigger numbers, there will be more numbers inside the number. Don't worry, though. I will explain that later. Let's count all of the numbers. Then I can show you different ways to express those numbers. I have the numbers here on my board, including 10. Again, don't worry about it. And yes, my daughter helped me lose one of my cards, so I had to draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. If we start from the beginning, here is 1. If you're counting the digit 1, you put your finger right here. Now, normally, the numbers aren't going to have those circles, but that's to help you learn to count. 1. And if you do a tally mark, you just draw another 1 here. If you're looking at a 10 frame, which means 10 squares, you put a little circle, 1. And if you have 1 of something, you can count 1. Easy, right? Let's try another one. Let's try the number 2. Okay. Oops. Here's the number 2. You count 1, 2. If you count it the same way each time, you'll always get the right number. If you have 2 tally marks, 1, 2. On a 10 frame, you have 2 dots, 1, 2. And if you have 2 of something, you can touch each one and count 1, 2. Okay, let's keep going. The next number is number 3. You count 1, 2, 3. On tally marks, 1, 2, 3. Here we see 3 dots in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. And here we have 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3. The next number is number 4. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 4 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4. On a 10 frame, you have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you have 4 circles, you touch them and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty soon you're going to be so quick that you don't even have to count them. You just look at it and you can say, oh, that's 4. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, we're getting some bigger numbers here. This next one is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll notice something different happened with the tally marks. To help you keep track, whenever you get to number 5, that one is diagonal. You kind of cross out the other 4. So you know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the 10 frame, our whole first row is filled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also made 2 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next number's a little tricky. Are you ready? Here's the number 6. Now you have circles next to each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. With the tally marks, remember we had the 5 that were crossed out plus 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On the 10 frame, we have got 1 dot on the bottom because we ran out of room on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost done. Here we have number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Over here we have the 5 tally marks and 2 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the 7 dots on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we have 7 circles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's move on to number 8. Wow, such big numbers you can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count our tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for the 10 frame? All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many circles do you think we have here? Yep, we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Okay. Let's do the last one. This is the number 9. It's the last number for today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, our 10 frame is almost full. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And last but not least, let's count our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. And now you know how to count 1 through 9. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job. If you have a question, feel free to write it in the comments below. You can also email me at You can also email me at jenningscherie89@gmail.com. If you want more content or the opportunity to talk directly with me on a video call, please subscribe to my Patreon account. You can also follow me on Facebook or YouTube, depending on where you are now. Hi again. Towards the end of the videos, I always like to do a little bit of yoga just to help calm our bodies after being so excited from learning. Today we are going to do 3 yoga poses. One is called cat-cow, one is called downward dog, and one is called cobra. I'll walk you through them and you can do them with me together. We are going to do each one 3 or 4 times, depending on how much time we have. We'll hold for 10 seconds and then relax for 5 seconds in between each one. Come on, let's start. Cat-cow starts on our hands and knees. We're going to arch our back down so our stomach is pointing towards the ground. And we're going to stretch our head up high. Then, when we breathe in, we're going to arch our back up, bring our head down, and stretch up high. When we breathe in, out, we're going to go back down like this. Let's try it. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next yoga pose we're going to do is called downward dog. You're going to stand up on your feet and keep your hands on the ground. Stretch out a little bit. Lean back on your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. You could bring your knees down if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back up. Remember to stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do one more pose. This one is called cobra. You're going to start by laying down all the way. Put your hands by your shoulders and lift your chest up. You can look straight forward or you can put your head back a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. back down, rest, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much for stretching with me. Okay, it's time to take those nice 5 deep breaths like we did last time. One idea is you can put a hand on your belly and a hand on your chest so you can feel when you breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Remember, when you breathe out, breathe all that unhappiness or any tension you have or any negative feelings. It all goes out of your body when you breathe out. Let's breathe 4 more times. Ready? In. Out. So relaxing. 3 more times. In. Out. 2 more times. In. Out. And last one. In. And out. I hope you feel nice and relaxed now. I'm so glad that you were all able to join me today. I had so much fun. I can't wait to see everyone next time on Kids Farm Preschool. Bye-bye.